Hi everyone, so on this webinar we're going to take a look at the activity and financial analysis report. So this particular report is one of our performance reports, as we can see here, and it's below the activity analysis report. So this top one here, that shows your KPIs, as you've probably seen in the other webinar, and you might be using this already. What this one does that's a bit different is if you have had targets put in the system, so you could have had your KPI targets put in either on a weekly basis, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. And when you've done that, same with your revenue as well, you can have a temp revenue, perm and contracts put in. And then what you can do in this report is it will not only give you graphs to show you how you're doing next to your target, but it also shows you how much money you've made rather than just your KPIs. So if we click on the report here to build it, I'm just going to go back and see what I've done since this week, really. So it's always got to be run on a Monday to Sunday on this particular report because it's a financial report. It's the same with all the financial reports in the system. So I am going to look for just my results. So I put my name in here. You do have the option to do that on versus the whole team or office or region. You can go and look at your activity linked to a particular client, a particular job. And what's great about this bit, the target period, is what do you want to look at in this section? So I really want to look at my weekly target because I'm looking back at the last week. You can then group that information if you so wish, but I'm going to leave mine open. And you can always choose PDF, RTF, or Excel. And once you've added your data, click confirm. We're going to see our report. And this is the difference to the standard activity analysis report. So at the top, we can see here for this particular weekly period, my targets are here, and we can see targets are 10 calls for the week, and I have made 2. That's for my CV sent, same stats. Client interviews arranged, I've 4, but I've got none in my target. So you can see how your target's in red, and then what you've actually done is in blue. So it's very easy for you to see visually how you're doing in that period. Below, you'll also see your figures in here as well, same as the activity analysis report. At the bottom, you'll see a breakdown of your revenue. If you had made any money and you did have any targets in there that are financial for the week, I don't have any in there for the week, but if you did, you'd get a similar graph as the ones linked to activity at the top. But you can see total number of jobs and total placements in that time. So like you'll see, it's really visually pleasing, this report, really popular, particularly with managers that are looking at their team or individual consultants for reviews. But it's great for you even as individual consultants or users, if you to review yourself and see how you're doing, it's fab for that as well.